Oh yeah, look what's here.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So you're all here to see me do the unboxings for a new Aurora R10. Just kind of give you a quick background. So this channel I predominantly do hockey videos. So I'm a goaltender, so I play just beer league hockey. So I usually record videos there, and then also my girlfriend and I have a channel, Panay and the White Guy, so I do all our video editing on that. My current computer is pretty old now. It's probably going on 10 years. It's an original i7. I did upgrade the RAM. It's got 32 gigs of RAM. It's got some solid state drives in it. I'm still using a GTX 960. It can plod through editing videos okay, but recently it's been giving me some problems, and now that I'm really sitting at home doing not much of anything, some things happened and I was able to go ahead and order a new computer. So I went ahead and done that. That's what's in the box. We're going to do the unboxing here. What did I get? Well, I got the R10. I got the Ryzen 7 chipset. So I'm typically an Intel guy, but I've heard really good things about the AMD chip. So I went ahead with that. It's the Ryzen 7 3700. I went with 16 gigs of DDR4. I think it's 2933 megahertz on it. It's got the NVIDIA 2080 video card, and it's got a solid state drive in it. I also went with water cool, just because one, we're here in Arizona, so it definitely gets kind of warm even in the houses in the summer. Plus, hopefully at some point we're going to start doing 4K videos, maybe when we go on vacation, stuff like that. So if I'm crunching out 4K video, I want to make sure that the computer stays nice and cool. So I went with water cooling, plus it's kind of cool. So anyway, so thanks for watching. Here's a quick unboxing of my new computer. I'll probably set it up tonight, and maybe we'll have some other videos of how it does editing videos. So thanks for watching, and let's get to unboxing. Let's see what's inside the box.
Alright, doctor, first incision. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of workspace in my office right now, so this is gonna be kind of tricky. Alright, first layer. Power cord. Always come in handy. Destruction book, so you know how to destroy things. Nice. I went with the Dark Side of the Moon edition. So basically just showing you how to connect to your network. It's like warranty stuff. So that's in the first layer of the box. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, I'm going to need two hands for this, so I'm going to set the camera down and go ahead and yank this guy out. Last thing I need to do is drop it. But there you go. Like I said, I got the Dark side of the moon version. There's a silver version, but my old computer was silver and I had that forever, so tired of looking at silver. And the best part about getting any new electronic is peeling off the plastic. Static clingy.
Alright everybody, so like I said, it's just going to be a quick video just unboxing the new AlienWare. I do have to swap over some of my SSDs from my old system into the new one. I haven't ventured yet into taking this one apart. I figured I'll leave this as a success, but when I do go in there, I'll make a video, show you what's inside. As we add some drives and some things like that. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and let's hope for hockey season to start back up soon. So thanks for watching.
All right, so here is a quick recap, part 2 of the Alienware. So I did get the back off. So right here, there's a small Phillips screw. You have to remove that. Once you do, you just lift up on this handle. The side panel that's here you can just lift off. There's also a little catch right there. So you hold that up, and then that allows the side panel to come off. And then in order to get the power supply open, there's a release here. So you lift up on that, it unlocks it. It swings out, takes a little force to get it out there. But once you do, you're all set. You're in the guts of this thing. So here we can see the water cooler for the Ryzen, and there's our 2880 video card. I'm going to be adding in there the video capture card for our live streaming, and there's the 2 hard drive bays. So I've got another solid state I'm going to put in there, and old computer I'm probably going to leave as a Plex media server for the house. So I'm just going to grab those 2 things and put them in here. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alright, so I just figured it's not too exciting putting all this stuff in, but I figured I'd just show you how to get it apart while I have it here before I forgot.